Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. We have Alexander Stewart here. I wish you cheated. Alright, so this is a very easy song to play when it comes to the playing. So we have one bar chord. That's okay, I believe, amongst 5 chords there. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward actually. It goes in the same way almost through the entire song. So we're gonna look at that. First, we need to start with the capo set here on the 4th fret. All right, and like I mentioned, 5 different chords. Let's take the chords now. So starting with the G, that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We have this bar chord here, that's the B7. So you place the bar on the 2nd fret, and you bar all strings except for the last D here in the bass. So 5 strings from bottom and up, and then the rest will be 4th on D and 4th on B. E minor, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. D next, so that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And then finally we have the C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Alright, so the verse and pre-chorus is played in the same way, alright? And we have this chord progression that goes G, B7, E minor, and C. We have 2 different ways of playing this one, okay? So the first round of everything, verse, pre-chorus, and chorus, and there you will play 4 downs per chord, all right? So G, B7, 2, 3, 4, E minor, 2, 3, 4, and C, 2, 3, 4. That is 1 round of the chord progression there, and 4 downs per chord. For the verse, you're gonna play 2 rounds of that. And for the pre-chorus, you're gonna play 1 round of that. All right, so G, B7, E minor, C times 2 for verses, and just 1 round for the pre-chorus. Played in the same way, all right? And then comes the chorus. Here, you're gonna play 4 downs of G, 4 downs of B7, then 2 downs of E minor, 2 downs of D, and 4 downs of C. So it's very similar to this chord progression. Only difference here is that the E minor is split in here for only 2 rounds, and it splits with the D that also comes in with 2 rounds. In total 4 rounds there. Instead of E minor 4, we have E minor 2, D2, and then ends in the same way with C4. So the chorus goes 1, 2, 3, 4, B7, 2, 3, 4, E minor 2, D2, and C4. That is 1 round, and you're gonna play that for 2 rounds. Then in the second round, sorry, I need to mention the post-chorus as it comes right after the chorus. First, here you're gonna play just quick 1 down of all these chords. So G, B7, E minor, D, C. Just like that, and a pause, and that's it for the post-chorus. So the same chords as in the chorus, just 1 down, very quick between the chords, and a pause in the end there, and that builds up for the next round. Now the next round, the second round. All right, now you're gonna change the strumming here. I believe that's the best, in my opinion, to do that, because it adds in a little bit with the beat there. So instead of playing 4 downs, you play a clap there for the 3rd down. You play a clap there instead. So okay, like that. All right. So it's a strumming there, down, down, clap, down. So you just play in the same way, down, down, clap, down. and replace that with 4 downs only. So the same chords there, second round, and nothing changes there, and you just do that in the same way till the very end. And that is how you played Alexander Stewart's I Wish You Cheated. So thank you for watching, guys. Feel free to leave a comment, and until next time, play tuned.